Come today in front of me Nokia X20, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device comes. So the first accessory, that's what our Nokia X20. Here the next thing that you can see here is the SIM tool, and some papers work, the warranty letters, the quick guides here in just a couple of different languages. And here also we got the protective echo case, and here in this paper box we got the USB Type-C cable. So that's it. There are all of box accessories with which our Nokia X20 comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.